Here we have your tricep extension machine. The purpose of this machine is to address our tricep muscles, which is the posterior muscles to your arms. This machine has a few different areas of adjustment. The first one is your back pad, second one is your seat, and the third one is your weight stack. The back seat we want to adjust in a format that it keeps us nice and close to the pad, the arm pad. This arm pad, we want to make sure that our elbow is in line with the pivot point. The second is your seat. For that, I always recommend get into the machine first, okay? Grab a seat. So I'm a little bit tight here already, I can tell. So I'm gonna bring it back a little bit more. Okay? I'm gonna sit back in. Notice my chest is right up against the pad, which is ideal. My elbow, if I keep it at this height, it's gonna be in line with my elbow joint. I'm gonna bring it down just slightly, okay? From here, my weight stack is at a good weight. I'll go with that. And the machine, I wanna grab a nice handle, make sure you grip it, okay? We don't wanna put these kind of open hand situation, because if it slips, it could be very dangerous and hit you in the face. So grip that handle, okay? Stay nice and tall. Breathe in, exhale as you extend your elbows. Breathing in, nice and control, and extend back out. If you notice, as I finish my movement into the flex position, my elbow is nice in line with the pivot point.